Saps has gone in. Are we going? Saps has gone inside. I'm going to go inside. We've received reports from neighbors, a tip-off to say that there's funny activities happening here. Ek kan klaar sien het lyk nie reg hier nie. Okay, yeah, I can see this is niks reg wat hier aangaan nie. Hallo julle. Goeienaand, hoe gaan het? Alright, ek is Honorable James. Nee, ons het klagtes gekry van hierdie huis. And I've gotten some footage as well. Maar daar's baie up and down hierso is. En daar's kinders hierso in die huis. Hoeveel kinders is hierso in die huis? Hoeveel? 6 kinders. Waar is die mammies van die kinders?
Dis my kleinkind en dan een twee nansie. Anders is die wel so.
Okay, I'm not here to humiliate you. Okay, let's get that straight. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you so that you can help these children. These children are in urgent need of care and protection. Stem jy saam? Hoe lank is jy op tik? Ja.
Baie aankom.
Hoeveel jaar?
Al 15 jaar oud.
Wie kyk agter jou kinders?
Ek kyk agter.
Hoe kyk jy agter hulle?
As net sy gaan skool.
Waar loop sy skool? Waar is haar birth certificate?
Ek het die eindelijk wacht nog op my.
So sy het nie 'n birth certificate nie. She's not registered.
Ek wacht nog op my.
So she's not registered. So as sy nie geregistreer is nie, then she's obviously not in school.
Nee, sy gaan skool mevrou.
Without a birth certificate. Jy weet it's a criminal offense not to have, for a child not to have a birth certificate. How old is she?
Sy 6 jaar.
Fasa Sasa kaart.
Sy kry nie.
Jy kry nie Sasa. Wie kry Sasa in hierdie huis? Hierdie twee. Kom ek kyk hier so rond. Askie hier so. Ja. No. No guys, no. Man. Deirdre kom loop saam. Kom loop op hier so. Maak op hier so vir my. Bly jy alleen hier so? Come, let's see you at the back. This is a smoker's lounge. I can. Come here, Matthew. Come and shine in here for me. Excuse me? Wanneer laas het julle hier skoon gemaak? Maak julle nie skoon nie? Nee, julle maak nie skoon nie. Wat het die kinders geëet vandag? Kom ek kyk, wat het die kinders geëet? Wat het hulle kos gekry?
Dit ek sê op wat dit kom word. Moenie hy. En dan die soep het ons hier met die moet. Hulle deel
So julle het sop van langs aan gekry.
Nee, om dit almal getat hè.
Okay, maar waar is die groceries vir die kinders in die huis in?
Nee, ons hier was hier vir dit wat ek elke dag.
Okay. So that's
Ek koop by elke dag soos dit kom.
okay, en hierso wat gaan hier aan?
Ek moet op wie hulle tog as dit nie daar voor.
Nee man, hoe kan die kinders sit en eet met kokkerooitjies op die
As die kinders wat sê jy moet op kan jy sien hulle.
Nee, as die kinders is die hoe die kinders lewe.
Hulle stout hulle.
Nee man, vrou, julle is stout. Julle is stout. Hoe kan jy sê die kinders is stout? Kyk hoe lyk die plek.
Nee, die plek was nie so.
Nee, kyk hoe lyk die plek. Die plek lyk so vir jare, das jare laas, maande laas was goed gewas hierso. No, ma'am. Look at this place. Look at that.
Die tyd was dat nou wat hulle nou geëet
No
het.
man, waar is die badkamer hierso? Waar is die badkamer hierso? Waar is die water?
Daar is die kraan.
Waar is die krane hierso? Mevrou, hoe bad jou kinders?
Daar is die shower ding.
Waar is die shower ding?
Daar is by 'n rode.
You guys have time for jokes. You have time. You guys have social workers on standby. You have social workers on standby.
I'm just gonna phone the
Give my phone.
It's online. This lady.
Can we do it?
If you know the number.
No.
My seentjie was nou 'n jaar en 'n half terug. Teenetjie was 'n jaar en 'n half terug dood. Skiet nou mevrou. Maar nou die tikte was nog nooit.
Okay, we'll deal with that later. I just want to deal with these children. Okay, the children that we have here are in urgent need of care and protection. It is clear that there's gross neglect here. These children, there's not even food in this place. There's no bath. There's absolutely nothing happening here. The conditions here is a health risk to start off with. So we're going to activate the social workers. We're going to have to do a, ek gaan maar nou nie sê wat vir die kinders nie, but you're going to have to get your ducks in a row. We cannot keep children in the care of a mother who is on drugs. Verstaan jy? It is nou your opportunity om jou lewe reg te ruk nou. Okay, so we need to do an intervention here, but these kids can no longer stay here. The up and down in here, the neighbors, everybody has been complaining. They have sent me footage of what happens here. Hierdie is 'n rookhuis. Julle kan nie weer so vir die kinders en ek vra jou nie, ek sê jou. Hierdie is 'n rookhuis. And if this is a house that's been used to smoke drugs with these beautiful children, hoe oud is hy meisiekind? 6 en jy? Are you at school? You're not at school. Daar is dit nog weer.
Die social workers besig.
Nee, hoekom is die social worker nog, hoekom is die kind nog hierso? In die eerste plek. This child is at risk whenever, mevrou, moenie nou saam met my argue nie, because I don't want to argue with you. Okay, I don't want to fight with you guys. But what you are doing to these kids is unacceptable. It's completely unacceptable. They are exposed to all sorts of characters. They grow up looking at people using drugs here in this place. Ek vra jou nie, ek sê jou. Ja. So hoeveel baie kinders is die? Die kinders is nie gebad nie, kyk hoe lyk die kinders. Daar's nie eens 'n skoon bed, mevrou. So kan ek nie aangaan nie. Do you have Form 36s at the station? Please, sir. How old are all these kids? Hoe oud is hy? 6, 11. En nie in skool nie. Are you at school? 7. Wat is skool is jy? Are you at school? No, how old are you? 2. Wie het birth certificates hier? Waar is hulle geboortesertifikate? Waar is hulle geboortesertifikaat?
Sy nou so alles op, saam met sy naam.
Waar? So niemand het 'n birth certificate hier in die huis nie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 children. Niemand het birth certificates hierso. Nie 'n kind het 'n birth certificate. These children don't even have access to grants at the rate you are neglecting them.
My ma vra of hulle kan kwaal.
Jou ma vra nou eers of jy hulle kan kom haal. Hoe? Waar slaap sy? Nou, kom is sy hierso.
Sy wil mos nou so by die tyd by haar ma sien as
Nee, sy kan nie by haar ma wees nie. Haar ma's op dwelms. Haar ma moet hulp kry. You put her at risk. No, I don't want to hear anything. No, you do.
Verstaan mevrou?
Ek verstaan, maar dit kan nie so aangaan nie. We need to get the social workers. We need a Form 36. Social crime prevention. We need Form 36. We need the social workers to step in.
Bring the social workers with you.
Please. Okay, I think the message that we want to send here to this community in die hele Mitchells Plain, so gaan dit nie weer aangaan nie. We're not going to have children sleeping in hondehokke and we're not going to have children growing up in homes where parents are using drugs in front of them. We're not going to have children that has to go to bed without food, not registered, and not attending school. We will charge every parent. I'm calling on this community, this entire Mitchell's Plain, to continue sending us those tip-offs. We're going to charge parents for gross neglect.
Can we go now?
Nee, ons wag vir die social crime prevention om in te kom. Jy kan nie nou vir haar wil hê nie. Hoe lank?
Nee,
Hoe lank?
Sy slaap hier ons.
Hoe lank? Het gaan nou al hoe lank so aan?
Mami sê waar slaap vir jy by ons? Daar's my ma. Sy slaap so net voor 8 uur soos nou tyd ek haal ons altyd van die aande. Kom Fatty.
You're gonna stay here. I am going to go.
Nee, ek gaan net dan sien.
I think just tell Carrie. Just tell Carrie. Ons het te veel, ons tel te veel babas word weet jy die sake? Weet jy die sake wat ons hoor hierso, manne wat hulle vingers in die kinders indruk, allerlei stories. Ja. Ja, hi. Ja. Nee, die social workers wil.
Hulle inspek alles.
Jy moet jou lewe in orde kry.
Ja, maar eet nou.
Waar koop jy jou tik? Ja, nou gaan jy stil nou. Zo weer daar, waar koop jy jou tik ook? How long do you know how long they're going to be?
I'm just waiting on the colonel to return my call. Especially with the social crime prevention people.
Okay, but she's aware that she needs to send them.
Yes. Okay, I'm going to say that to go fetch it quickly.
Kyk hoe lyk die huis.
As jy net nou wat hulle nou.
Kyk hoe lyk die huis.
Elke dag wag ek die huis skoon.
As dit en wanneer laas het jy was goed gewas? Laas jaar. Laas. Haha. Ek is klaar gepraat, mevrou. We'll speak to the social workers now. Yeah, I'm done talking. You're going to talk to the social workers now. Okay? But I'll never be able to sleep tonight knowing that there are kids who hasn't eaten. This is an opportunity for you to get help, if anything. Yeah, if anything. We're no longer going to turn a blind eye in cases like this. Die hele straat complain, al die neighbors, elke dag kry ek oproepe. I actually want to speak to some of them. Go sit down, my baby. Go sit down. Go. Let me come outside. Come outside. Is it okay for me to come outside? What are they saying? Okay, we're just waiting on social crime prevention. Okay, we're waiting on social crime prevention. We're waiting on SAPS to come with Form 36s. We're going to have a possible removal. In fact, they must remove these kids, and we'll take it from there. Actually, I hope the station has the relevant forms to do this. Are these children also standing outside here? Gaan die kinders nie weer in die huise in nie? Hey, they see SAPS vans and then they're outside. Wat gaan dan met die ouers hier in die plek? Huh? My goodness. Like, why aren't kids indoors? I mean, when you see SAPS vans, all the more reason for your children to be inside.
You must go to a scene where somebody's maybe shot at it. You see all the small children showing around him.
No, man, they've become desensitized to these things. They grow up and think that this is life and this is normal. Is niks behalwe normal nie.
For those who just joined the live now, maybe go back into the house and say where we are, what we're doing, this is the conditions of us.
Do you know how long we'll be waiting, more or less?
About 10 minutes because there must be kids on that side of Lemberton and there's traffic here because of the roadworks.
Okay,
And then she comes to the station, go fetch the forms, come to here.
okay, okay. I'm not sure how we're going to do it because none of these children have birth certificates.
Bly meneer. Hier, daar van het bloem. Very powerful. Ik is die power die schat ja in Maya. Waar kan ze wel zitten dit? Hij zei ook dit goed uit te zo dit. Die zeggen maar ik met maar die zeggen maar uit te zo. Maar ze doen daar later. Ik dan moet wel een tijdje stout op te bij. Dat is wel wit man. Maar hoe ga ik hoe dit dan maar ik try liever strijd te gaan. Dan mag je ons al eens die social workers maken. En die decide dat kan men helemaal gaan interview raas van de wel. Wel explain hoe we het sturen.
For those of you who have just joined in, we are out in the community of Lentegeur, right? We've received tip-offs. I don't want the children in this video, please. Can we not have anyone's face in this video? Ek soek mevrou, kan jy uit ook hierso uitkom, uit die video uitkom? Het jy nou daar opgevee? Wat die kokkerroetjies so gewemel het. Nee man, Jesus, julle kan nie nou daai eens eet nie. No man. No, it must be thrown away, man. Yeah, we are doing an intervention here. We have way too many children. The Western Cape records the highest rate of abandonment. Children that's been abandoned, children that are being neglected because their parents are substance users. Children that aren't in school, that is a violation of their rights. Children who aren't at school. These children cannot even access a grant because they don't have birth certificates. Kinders is 11 jaar oud, 3, 4, 5. There are 6 children staying in this house. Waar die wasgoed nog laas gewas word. Ek weet nie wanneer laas nie, seker jare terug. There's no taps in this house. There's nothing. The wires, it's just a disaster. It's really just a disaster. I'm waiting on SAPS. I hope that this police station has the relevant forms to do a removal, which is your form 36. And they now need to send social crime prevention because obviously the kids cannot go in a van. They need to go in a motor vehicle. So I'm asked in a motor car. So I'm asking the community, wherever you see children that are being neglected as a result of drugs, please send us that tip-off. Het gaan nie weer so aangaan nie. Ons gaan nou skoonmaak. Too many kids begging at the street, traffic lights, and we think it's normal. That's not normal. We have a responsibility to protect our children. En om lief wees en agter ons kinders te kyk. And if you can't look after them, then you give them to a family member that can look after them. But the social worker needs to make sure that they assess, they do a psychosocial report by die huis om te sien wat daar aangaan. Ek het nou hier gevra waar is die kos, daar's niks kos hier nie. The fact that you don't have food for these children in this house, according to the Children's Act, daar is neglect, mevrou. You can't have 6 children in a house en as niks kos nie.
Die is kos mevrou.
Ja, dat is kos wat jy om die draai gekry het. Al hierdie neighbors sê vir my.
Die neighbors, ja.
En neighbors weet nie wat er hier in die huis van my mevrou.
En die is by julle dan nou vir iets wat ek ook kom. Hy sê dat dan nou vir iets wat ek ook kom.
Maar ek dus om net die goed as hier sit.
Jy sal daai vir die social worker wys.
Ja.
Jy sal al daai vir die social worker wys. Jy sal vir die social worker sê waar is die teppa, jy sal vir die social worker sê wie kom hier nie aan, jy sal vir die mense sê wie kom rook hierso, jy sal al daai footage sal jy explain.
Sorry, ek is die auntie van die een kind. Dit was wat aan.
Okay, you're the aunt of the one child. We have children here, 6 children in urgent need of care and protection. We have a mom here that is on substance. We have a house here where there's no food. We have a house that is definitely not conducive for children to live in. I'm not sure if you've seen the state of these rooms. Ek weet nie wanneer laas was jy in hierdie kamers nie. Het jy gesien hoe lyk dit hier binne? You don't go in the rooms. You should maybe go into these rooms. When you go into these rooms, you'll realize that maybe you need to make a plan and see the social workers and maybe
Children get food every day.
From where?
Supply from food from us every day.
Yeah, from you every day. But this house where I found them is not conducive for them to stay in. We can all agree on that.
So
We can all agree on that. It's not for me to decide. It is for me to activate the social workers and they can come and assess what is happening here. Not a single child here has a birth certificate. Number 1.
we've been busy. He's related to us. We've been busy with his birth certificates and stuff. Where Home Affairs don't want us to start with his birth certificate.
How old is he?
7.
7. For 7 years, Home Affairs refuses to assist
We've
you.
been back and up and down. That papers is by my mother currently.
Okay, we're going to get Home Affairs to assist you now to get this child registered.
We get the paperwork, his stuff.
You're going to take our numbers. I'm going to give you my number and we're going to assist these children to all get their birth certificates.
Because we've been working.
That is what the social worker is going to do.
We've been working. Like I said, not all of them are related to us. Only him. Only this one, the other one, we stay by my grandparents.
Okay, so right now all these kids were found
But
in
with
this.
him, we've been struggling, we've been up and down with Home Affairs. His dad, she has been with as well, where Home Affairs didn't want to assist us.
Okay, ma'am, that's fine. All of this information can go to the social worker.
Because they've given appointments every time. We as the family has been stood up. We make sure that he eats every day with his father. We do everything that we can. So, I don't know. I can't answer for the others. I don't know what the state is of the other state.
Yeah.
She can say-
But the fact that he's in this house and the fact that we have footage and the fact that there's recordings of like really funny characters coming in here. The fact that they are smoking drugs in this house. Drugs are being used in this house. The mother just admitted. They are using drugs in this house. And you have children in this house. Do you understand the risk? Do you understand the threat of sexual molestation? These children can be sexually molested.
He hasn't been too long with this one. He was
No child should even be on this premises.
So, if I may ask, what are you guys here for to do?
We are here because we have received complaints from this entire street that is concerned about the well-being of these children.
Okay.
And we've been monitoring this place. And this is why we came here today. So we've been monitoring it with the traffic coming in. We've been monitoring it, so obviously these children need protection.
The baby, I think. I'm not sure. I think it's probably a baby, but that is her daughter.
Okay, so almal sal maar antwoord gee aan die social worker vandag.
Okay, so what
Because it's amazing now that we're here, so everyone comes here, no, this is my child, no, I take care, but the kids were here. So all of these beautiful things you will explain to the social workers. Because when children are at risk like this, we must remove these children. These children, let me tell you what is the process. These children get removed, they get placed in a temporary place of safety. Right? We don't remove them forever. While the social worker then goes to the different homes of families, tries to trace the families, and they do a report at those homes. And if they find that there's a family member that's fit to take care of these children while the mum undergoes rehabilitation, then all good and well.
The girl that walked in, that is her partner.
Is she fetching a treat, a child? Whose child is this? Okay, nobody's leaving here with the kids now until the social worker comes. You can't leave, darling. We're waiting for the... No.
I'm working. I can
That's perfect. Your child was at risk in a house where they're smoking drugs. Yeah, but still, there's a house where people are smoking drugs. Jy kan nog nooit jou kind hier los met mense wat dwelms gebruik nie. Nooit nie. Dit maak nie saakie. Het jy nou net gesê dit maak nie saakie? My word! We have Jocelyn Smith, whose mum left her with people that were smoking drugs. Sy's missing up until today. Jy sê vir my dit maak nie saakie. Dit maak baie saak. I think no one's coming in here. I think no one's coming. I think let
Yeah, but you must explain to the social worker when she comes here. You
Mhm.
understand?
Yeah.
Because we have been busy sorting out these things with our fees through the social worker. And we haven't heard of her again. Like I said, my parents, his mother, is sitting with the paperwork. So he hasn't been staying here. He's been here for a month or two because he had to relocate with schools, and we didn't have the time enough where he stayed here with his father, which he is busy now that he's not going to be here for long to move. So,
Ma'am, you know what?
I understand
All
what
of
you're
these
saying.
things, you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You understand? Ek vra nou net myself, if we didn't rock up here tonight, as daar nou nie poliskarre en nou baie mense gewees het nie. So almal nog steeds hier so na toe gehardloop het. Yeah, I have a mom. I mean, even if I want to help her, because I'm not here to humiliate anyone. Let's understand that. We're here to see that these children are safe and they eat. Let's understand that. I'm not here to fight anyone.
No,
But when you have a mum that comes in and I say to her, hulle tik in die huis in, en dan sê sy vir my, dit maak nie saakie. Yes, my meete gaan nou sommer deur die dak.
But my kind is safe.
Jou kind is safe. Jy het nou net vir my gesê dit maak nie saakie. I have you on camera.
But my child is safe because his grandma is here.
Your child is safe in a house. No, ma'am. You can't. Why are you even allowing people to come and smoke drugs here? Why? Let's start there.
Well, I told them all they must go long time already, but still they come back.
Why are we still even having people? Imagine I'm actually discussing this with people. You people, your reasoning is beyond. Ek kan nie verstaan hoe reason julle nie. Hoe vat 'n mens in jou right mind jou kind en jy gaan los jou kind in 'n huis wat jy weet hulle tik? En jy is okay om jou kind in hierdie kamer in te los? Where are you if you are a fit parent? Why isn't this child with you?
I am working. I came from
And at
work
night?
now. Yes. I came from work now.
I understand it's great that you're working, but this conditions is not conducive for that child. How are you? How are you, ma'am? I'm Honorable James. Nice to meet you. You're from SAPS. So I've received reports. Say no die story vir die 5de maal. From the people in their street. You have 6 children here. 6 children, as per the Children's Act. Nie een van die kinders het 'n birth certificate nie. Right? Die ma van die een kind daarso, she's admitted she's a substance user. The streets and everything, we've got footage, people coming in, that's why bustikkies wat hier kan kom. They smoke in this house. If you look at the conditions in hierdie huis, As niks reg vir hierdie kinders om hier te bly nie. So we need, number one, obviously with the Form 36, I'm sure you know the process, and we need a temporary place of safety. And I think the reason why I came here myself, I'm a member of parliament, because I want to make an example in this community. So we're going to follow this process. I'm going to hold your hand, you're going to hold my hand, SAPS is going to hold. Ons gaan allemaal mooi saamwerk hier waar ons gaan difficulties kry. But we're going to do what we need to do to fix our communities and our families. Yeah, so all these kids, yeah, allemaal kom police station toe. You've got in a car, right? So they can all get in the van. So we know we can't put kids in a van. You're not going anywhere, right? You're not going anywhere.
Why not?
You can't, you're going to go down to the police station.
No,
We'll see.
much.
Okay, sorry. Officer.
Timmy,
Give the lady a hearing.
Timmy.
Give the
Oh,
lady
maar
a
dat
hearing.
is nou maar gezien, kom met die week, die kwam met
We understand that, but at the end of the day, what the lady is explaining to you, your child was found in the house. So, just follow the procedures the lady is explaining to you at the
En
end.
wat is dan met kind van en dan as jy lekker dan
They are going to assess. You will explain to the social worker. The social worker will make a call.
That's what ik nou net ruim van te sê. Calm down, listen to the lady and follow the instructions. En nie if jou harde gaat hou. We understand that, but the way you're saying it to the lady. Now just hear me now.
Timmy.
Maybe ask the social worker if you can take her through this house and show her.
I want the social worker. She needs to obviously even, mevrouw? Excuse me, ma'am. Okay, sorry. Are you able to take photos of this house, this thing here for me?
Sorry ma'am, if I may ask, if, like I understand now, are you going to take the children?
We have to take the children to the station. The children all have to go for medicals, number one, right?
Okay.
So number one, to make sure that they are okay, medically okay.
Okay.
So they're going to take them to the district hospital. That is the process to make sure that nie een van hierdie kinders wel aangepeter was nie. Right? After that, the social worker will come, she will assess and she will do a thing. All these questions you're gonna have an opportunity to pose to the social worker. And like I'm saying, it is not about removing children. The one thing we want is for children to grow up with their families, with their mums. I encourage families to remain, but I cannot encourage this. I cannot encourage this. I cannot encourage negligence if there's negligence from a mum. If this is a wake-up call for the mum, then great. Maar so kan het nie aangaan nie.
And as I explained to you, we've been busy and been fighting with our office to get the ones.
Does your child have a birth certificate?
My
Okay? Yes.
So mevrouw die toe, ik ID en ik was bezig, ik is dan gegaan. Toen is dat er voor mij. So wat ik het moest aan de school explain.
Voor jy enigiets kan doen, moet ons vir jou help kry.
Ja.
She stays there. I think she has if I may ask, all the paperwork that we have, that we've been busy with our
I
office.
saw you message about the kids. I'll try.
Okay, you can
Maar ik kan wat doen, hoor, hier is niet zo.
O, Here, hulle moet almal saam in 'n karren.
Hoe die kan eten gaan? Ik kan me komen, ze moet samen komen.
Ik heb net ja. Wat anders kunnen ze? Skat.
Urgh. This is actually just so sad, man. Did you take photos of that? Did you take photos of the cockroaches, of the door, the light, the bathroom?
Okay, do I need to get the paperwork?
Did you see the conditions of this house? There's no food.
Can I just...
Mhm.
There are certain circumstances where we can actually transport minors in the marked vehicle, right? Because they are not suspects. We are just taking them to a place of safety. So we are not gonna put them in the back, but parents and kids
We'll go at the back.
double cab. Then we'll move to the station. The colonel is trying to get one of the detectives over a marked vehicle. But in the meantime, if we need to go, we can go.
Do we have all the kids? It's 6 kids.
We must take all the kids and an adult.
Yeah, I think this is so traumatic. You know, this isn't nice doing this. Especially when the kids start crying. I mean, irrespective of who and what their parents are, kids don't want to, be removed from their parents. I mean, that's seen right there. Come, Daddy's coming with you. Come. Daddy's coming with you. Come. No, ma'am, you can't. You have to get into the SAPS van. It's the rules. You're not going to get in at the back.
My boyfriend is outside, that's why.
No. You can get into the van.
I will
You can.
follow you, I'm not going
No,
anywhere.
it's fine. But let's just comply and get this over with, please, ma'am.
You can inform me, we can. The picture first and then ready. But now you must
Come. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine, Munyas. I think it's just an opportunity for everyone to get their lives back in order, man. Yeah. They smoke drugs in this house, are you aware? They smoke drugs in this house where your child is at. Are you aware? Yeah. Oh my God, is it safe for me to come out here?
It's fine, just wait for us. We're going to move forward.
Trek je bakje voor het te doen, laat de mensen licht inflammen, maar niet laten inflammeren, dat probleem is.
Can you see?
No, wait for us. We're just going to move forward.
Okay. So we need 6 kids, right? There must be 6. I'm only counting 4. Do you have your ID? Do you have Dad? Do you have an ID? Does anyone have? Okay, so before Kansas is so. Please, you must bring your IDs and everything.
Kaya kung may ID habig siya, hindi man ito katanaw, biyaw man ito.
Kuda siya. Alam ba pa iti barang kudi? Kuda siya.
Yeah, this is not a nice sight. Okay, can we all get in? Where are the other kids?
10.
Okay, 1. Where are the other kids? The mom? Ja? Waar is die ander kind? Is daar nou 'n kind missing? If there's a child missing, I'm going to charge you.
Is there any way that you can maybe just cover, because everybody's standing with their cameras, waiting for the kids to come out, so...
Just
Yeah.
put down that camera.
Is that my camera? Go back and let's go now.
As ek dink wat missing is hierso. Annie, do you have your phone? I just want some pics of the street visuals there outside. Oh, okay. Do you have yours? Just... One child just vanished. It is so important, yes, and we need to do things the proper way. This is why SAPS and stations in these communities that's hard hit by drugs needs to ensure that they always have social workers on standby. They need to make sure that they always have the relevant forms, so that when community calls and says that there are children in urgent need of care, the police knows exactly what to do. So it's important now for the parents to accompany these children with the needed documentation, such as their birth certificates, wat hulle nie het nie, die ouers het nie IDs nie, daar's niks hierso nie, and then the social worker will take it from here. These children must be placed in a temporary safe place until all interviews have been done. It's usually so sad with these children crying like this. Kom ons almal kom. Haas jou kan.
Maybe you should come to the street and tell them, yeah, this is why we shout. Okay, can you do that? Okay.
Okay. I'll come this side. I want to give a message here to those people in the street. Good evening, community. And say dankie that this community and the street has stood up, because we can't have children being neglected. Yeah. So we are calling on community. If you see there are children loitering, children wat sonder kos gaan, kinders wat nie skool loop nie, please report it. It is a criminal offense and parents can be charged. And the drug houses. For too long, these children have been exposed to drugs. So it is now for this community, dis julle verantwoordelikheid. So you need to make sure that these kids grow up in a safe environment. Not an environment where people are sitting in a house and smoking drugs.